Hello my billionaire family, how far na? How una dey o? Happy new month. Today gele shey una dey see dat gele wey dey for my mother head? Na my mother own, my late mother. I just see am for inside my wardrobe, na I carry the gele I say make I use am do one gele, na im una see am so. So dis gele e go don more than like 15 years for dis gele. Una no believe am. So una know those old school gele na, the way wey dem dey do am na like dat dis gele be. If you get any old school gele abeg go bring am come out, the gele dey useful now my beautiful billionaire family. Make una go bring una old gele come out, dem dey useful now abeg, make una no talk say old gele no dey useful. The gele soft, e soft like akamu. So anywhere you turn the gele go, the gele go go there ni. So the gele dey easy to control, to do any style wey you want use am do, you understand. So you know this our normal chiffon gele wey dey trend now, na something like that. I just say okay make I use this gele form am, and I dey happy say I even come try this gele and the gele come out well. I no expect say people go come like this gele sef o, I no even expect am at all. The gele really come out very nice. If you see as when I tie this gele, when I first dey tie am, I think say the gele no come out nice o, but when I tie am finish, if you see as I dey happy as if e pass this gele wey I tie o. Make una no vex say my hand dey cover una do, make una no vex. So na like that I take start this gele o, but you know our normal 50-50 ratio na like that I take get this gele. I divide am into 50-50 parts. So na wetin I do be that. So make una just dey look as I dey take do am. You know for this style wey dey reign now, na office pin the style need. So if you get enough office pin, you fit use am achieve anything wey you want. So you see ba, the gele dey very simple to tie. So make una let me know if una wan see more of old gele, make I use am do another style for una. I get am plenty for my house. I get am plenty for my house, as per say na me be the baby of the house, na me be the only girl wey my mother born. So all her gele na me come carry am. So na wetin happen be that o. So I get like old school gele, even this paper gele dem I get am, old one wey be my mother own, I get am for house. So make una just let me know for the comment section if una want make I dey use those old gele dem take dey create new style for una. Make una let me know for the comment section. Una do my people, how una dey now? How go dey go? How this Nigeria matter? God go help us o, we go see favour for God side o. So na like so my sister. Abeg make una no forget, make una comment o, make una comment, make una subscribe, make una tell people about glam beauty o. Dat woman wey no too hear English. Make una help me yarn dem about me o, make dem dey watch my video, make una comment, make una share. God go bless una for me. I really appreciate all una support wey una dey give me o. Una do well. 3 gbosa for una. Gbosa for my beautiful subscribers. Oriyin wa nbe, God will continue to dey bless una for me. Una do my people. I really appreciate una o. Una do well for my life. Una really do well. So na like that o. Na like that we dey take do this gele o. This gele no hard o my people. E no hard at all. Anywhere wey you control am go, e go follow you go there. Shey una dey see am ba? The gele soft, but if una wan make am dey harder, una fit put starch now. Una fit put starch if una want make e dey strong. But me, I just like am the way e dey, na I take tie this style. So shey una just dey see am. Gele dey simple to tie o. Dey simple well to tie. Make una no vex o, say this my ogbonge hand dey cover This my rubber hand dey cover it. I mean I no vex. Hey Jesus, it is well job. So I just dey form the gele job, my sister. Dey form am so tey e come out nice. Na one thing about this style be that o. You dey tire. You go just dey create something, before you know e go turn to something beautiful. I no even expect say this gele go come out very nice like this. I swear, I no. If dem tell me say this style go come out very beautiful, I go talk say na lie. So and I do my people, abeg if una dey use office pin, abeg mo dey careful. Sometimes even me sef, I dey do mistake. I dey pin my model head. Shey na understand? So but still we go still dey careful sha. Mo dey careful as we dey use our office pin. Una do my people. Make una no forget o, make una follow your girl for Instagram o, at glambeauty30. My Instagram handle na glambeauty30. Abeg make una follow me, una do. Make una help una girl grow for Instagram also, una do. God go bless una. And abeg make una no skip apps o. Shey na hear abeg o, make una no skip apps. God go continue to dey favour una. Una thank you o. So na like that o, my beautiful billionaire family. Na like that we take achieve this gele o. This my mother gele. I come dey miss my mother as I dey use this gele. It is well. May your soul continue to rest in peace, my beautiful mom. I love you so much. See your gele now dey take create new fine style. My mommy. It is well. So na like that o, my sisters. My beautiful billionaire family. Na like that we take do this gele o. Shey na see ba? Gele simple, Gele no hard. Before you know, you don see am sharp. We don tie am finish. Sharp. No this thing. So na like that o. I shift am go back small. So, oh my God, see God. Hey, who go talk say this gele go come out nice like this? As I dey happy. Oh Jesus. If you hear my voice for this background, then when I dey tie this gele, you go just dey talk say come o glam. E pass this gele wey you tie. I swear, if you see as I dey happy, as I no expect say the gele go come out very nice like this. Like serious. Na wow. See, I will still go find another one o. I will still go find another old school gele of my mother. Make I use am do another style. Like, because this one even make my hair swell up well. Say, na old gele na fine like this. Wetin? No. It makes sense well. Oh my God, see the finishing. Oh, my mother sef dey feel herself for the gele. Make people na like so. Make na take care. Na do. Bye bye yo.